Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of flax seeds for your skin and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine to achieve a radiant, healthy glow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's get started. Flax seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber, these tiny seeds help in reducing skin redness and promoting smooth, hydrated skin. The omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats our body can't make itself, and they play a crucial role in skin health by managing oil production, promoting hydration, and aiding in the healing of skin wounds. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet can provide a multitude of skin benefits. They are known for reducing inflammation, ideal for conditions like acne, psoriasis, and eczema. Improving skin elasticity, the essential fatty acids in flax seeds help to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness. Protecting against sun damage, flax seeds contain antioxidants that provide a layer of protection against sun and environmental damage. Now, let's talk about how to use flax seeds to reap their skin benefits. Here are 3 simple ways. Flax seed smoothie. Blend 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your favorite smoothie. This is a delicious way to enjoy their benefits. Flax seed facial mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with enough water to form a paste. Apply it to your face for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask will leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Direct dietary addition. Simply sprinkle ground flax seeds over your salads, soups, or yogurt. It's a quick and easy addition that packs a lot of benefits. A fun fact about flaxseed is that it has been cultivated for over 5,000 years, making it one of the world's oldest known superfoods. Historically, flaxseed was not only valued for its health benefits, but also for its importance in making linen. The fibers from the flax plant are used to produce linen cloth, which was essential for clothing and a variety of other uses in ancient civilizations. When buying flax seeds, opt for whole seeds to ensure you get the full benefits of their nutrients. You can grind them at home using a coffee grinder or blender. Store your flax seeds in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to keep them fresh and potent. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the fantastic skin benefits of flax seeds. Try incorporating them into your diet and let us know how it goes by commenting below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.